You have a Gladiator, and you have a bed tent, and you have a bed full of must-have survival gear, all carefully selected to ensure a quality weekend in the wilderness. You're all set. Or are you? That's when you trip over that high-lift jack that you haven't used for years. Wouldn't it be handy to have on the trail? No. You don't want to have to look at it strapped to your hood. It's really not that attractive, and the potential for skull damage is real if any part of the thing is sticking out, and I mean anywhere. Yeah, my head'll find it. It's such a pain to drag that thing out. Well, right up until you need it, that is. The solution? Hit TeraFlex.com. You know that TeraFlex has thought of something. The 4831030. Wow, that is something to behold. Clean, functional, and sanitary. You know, something this beefy should have its own designation. How about JT Uinta High Lift Jack Mount? Yeah, I think I like that. And so will you when you see how it mounts to the factory or TeraFlex JT bed rail system, held in place with your substantial TeraFlex Uinta Cargo Tie-Down Anchor Kit. These clean-looking and strong brackets will tightly mount that high lift up out of the way. Really, anywhere you want to put it in the bed rail. And it will do it without limiting cargo space. You just added something else to pack around in your overland rig. Now that's a win-win. Oh, and let's add one more win to that. When you find yourself needing that jack on the trail. TeraFlex, helping to preserve Jeepers worldwide.